my name is Heather Nortz, Manager of Sustainability and Materials at the Plastics Industry Association. And joining me today is Gustavo Lombardi, Director of Business Development at Braskem America. And he's here to share insights into the overall progress of the bioplastics industry in recent years and some of the specifics around one of Braskem's recent investments in bioplastic production. Thanks so much for being here, Gustavo.
Hi, Heather. Thanks for the great opportunity. Thanks, Plastic Industry Association for the opportunity. And on behalf of Braskem colleagues, it's a pleasure to be here and share a little bit about the bioplastic industry.
Yeah, wonderful. We're happy to have you. So can you share a little bit more of a high-level overview of the bioplastics industry from past, present, and future perspectives?
Heather, it's remarkable the bioplastic industry progress over the years. It's just great, the present we are facing, and very promising future we see. And in different fronts, from methodologies to certifications, incentives, growth in capacity, investments, technology. In 2007, for example, when we just announced our project in Brazil to produce biopolyethylene using sugarcane ethanol, at that time, we were also talking about how we would put together the data from the value chain, methodology, and softwares to run our first life cycle analysis. Today, when you talk about LCA, no matter the type of industry process products we want to map the carbon footprint, LCA is a very well-known, very reliable methodology. Incentives across the globe, so we have the roadmap in Japan already in place, where it sets some targets for minimal bio content in certain type of packages. We have the same type of discussions happening in Europe nowadays as well to set minimal content of bio. We have the bio preferred program in USA, different fronts in USA talking about how we can explore, how we can use more bioplastics. So all of that translates into investments, into growth, into technology. And when we see the numbers of the industry worldwide, today we have around 1.8 million tons capacity of biopolymers. We expect to reach around 4.85 million tons in the next 3-4 years. And looking back 10 years ago, we had around 1 million tons. So it just shows that the bioplastic industry is in the right path, in the right direction to support the strong demand we already have now.
Yeah, that's really crazy to hear the numbers and how exponentially it's really grown, both from the consumer demand side as well as, through some of these incentives of minimum content or other governmental support, how much bioplastics industry really has projected throughout the past couple of years, and exciting to see where it'll continue to go. But you mentioned the investment that Braskem is making in Brazil. Can you expand a little bit more upon that and, tell us about how that's going and what the goals are there?
Yes, I just mentioned about the exponential growth, as you said, and Braskem last year completed its investment to expand our capacity in Brazil. We invested around $87 million, and we added 30% more capacity in our bioethylene unit. So we had 200, now we have 260,000 metric tons capacity. So running biopolyethylene from linear low, high density, and low density grades. It's important to mention that this expansion, most of that 60,000 metric tons will be used to support USA market. So today, we already have the business in place in USA supporting our customers, our partners, but that additional capacity will be able to support the growth we are seeing in USA, not only for the current customers, but for the new demand, new partners we are already working with. So it's very, very important to mention that investment will be able to support not only the markets we already are, but prospecting and growing more our presence in the bioplastic industry.
Wow, that's very exciting work. I'm excited to hear more about how that all develops and just following along the pathway that you all are taking and exceeding the expectations of these investments and kind of leading in that way. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. Where can people go to learn more about this project and bioplastics in general?
Thank you, Heather. Thanks again, the Plastic Association, and very happy to share our link, a website link in the screen. And whatever questions you guys have, please go there, go online, or braskem.com. We're going to be able to see all the informations, the news, and making sure you guys learn more and debate more about bioplastic. It's an important solution to this important industry called plastics. So we are very happy to be able to this journey and making sure we can make the plastic industry more sustainable, more circular, and more available for everyone. Thank you very much, Heather.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for giving us your time today. And for everyone watching, happy Bioplastics Week.